Found myself till it was all lost, not anymore. I'm holding on to all the pieces of my heart's to be.
Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. And in this video, we are going to go through PageHooks and show and hide widgets. And we have been talking about showing and hiding widgets a lot of times in the previous videos, and this time around, we are going to go through it. And let's first start through the PageHooks. So PageHooks, as the name suggests, it hooks a page with a rectangle. So that's what the whole purpose of it is. So let's see how it works. So first of all, we are going to go through and we will create a rectangle like we have done over here. And in this, what PageHooks does is, like, if you go on the top corner, you will see show page hooks. When you will click on it, you can see like how it can connect those pages. So you can just take it and just drag it on the page that you want to connect, and it will just connect through it. So over here I have connected this page. Let's drag it over here. So like now if I wanna connect this thing to this, I can do that, and that's it. That is done. So we can even look at the code over here. The Blup lightning. Blup lightning is like a code, like writing a code in a visual format. Just connecting the rectangles and you create a code. So yeah, so by connecting the page hooks, it automatically creates those nodes and connects them all together that you can add it later on. So yeah, so if we go over here and do the hot reload for the emulator, what it does is it just runs it. And now when I will click over here, I can just go to this page. And if I will just click on this, I will come over here. And what else it give to us is this ripple effect that you get to see. So yeah, that's how it works. And if you want to convert it into a, like, let's say a button, so that is where it is really useful. Like if you want to convert this thing into a button or something like that. Let's see. So I'll just give it some color, something like this. And give it some text. Open it up. That's it. And if I will just not reload it, so as you can see, it is here. Open it up and then it just opens it up. Just tap it. Just tap it. This is how it works. So yeah, so this is all for the page hooks. And now if we go towards uh, in our next category of things, so we are going to go through showing and hiding a page. So for that, this is what we can do. I will take the same kind of a thing. Let's just make it a group, and I will just put it up, and I will just deselect it. We don't need this thing. And now what we are going to do is we are going to create, let's take our widget and take this date picker and create a rectangle. So what I'm trying to do is whenever I will click, open it up, it will take this kind of a widget and it will show it in that manner. I think this looks good. Just remove this and let's make it black. And we can just take this, double click, and make it dark theme. And I'm going to convert it into a group. This is now a group. Now what we have to do is we need on click for it. So we will make us like a simple logic for it. So this is how it works. Right click it, add it in Blup Lightning. You get this group, but we don't need this group. We need on click property. So I double clicked it. I got to the rectangle. I got over here, so I got the rectangle and the on click functionality. And we need this group that is going to give us the property of is hide. So for more, there is an upcoming video on the Blup Lightning that is going to give you all the overview and everything in detail to understand how it works. Right now, I'm just going to go through them and make it easier. Like I'll just go through it, so it will just get into your memory that how it works. So I will just take this node. Not node is a logical operator. So is hide is a boolean. So whenever I will pass a boolean, it will make it a. If it is a true, it will make it false. If it is false, it will make it a true. So that's how not works. So now we can take this on click functionality and connect it with the run. So whenever I will click on this rectangle, it will call not logical operator, which takes in the A, and this A is the is hide functionality which is coming from this group whenever the property is updated. So we have to just take this changed value back to the input value of is hide into it. So now what we have to do is we just have to simply run it. And I have made the hot reload. Go to your this thing. So initially it is not hidden. So what we can do is we can go over here, go in this is hide property, just click it. So now it is hidden. So now if I run it again, that thing is gone. And whenever I will click on it, it will show up. And when I click it on again, it will go away. Click on it, it will show. Click on it, it will go. So this is how this small logic works. So Blup Lightning is really useful if you want to create logic and don't want to get into the all this like traps, bugs, going through the whole learning the framework and going through this whole process of like months of doing these things. So now we will just do it, and like, it took me like 2 minutes to create all these things. So yeah, that's how these two things work, and I hope you got to learn something new. And one more thing, there is this button which is called unhide widgets of current page. So as it says, as as it does. So basically, if I click on it, it will bring back all the hidden widgets that were there, because you might need that widget to do something else. So this will help you out in that thing if you need that widget back and you want to see it. So that's what it does. So you can again hide the widget. Like if you will click on it again, it will hide that thing. So that's all for today, and let me know in the comments if you have any query, you want to know something or anything, and we would be happy to help. I would be happy to help. And yeah, see you in the later videos, and bye bye.